Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to change your Instagram passwords. First of all, I'm gonna open up my Instagram. So right now I'm on my home page. Once you're there, on my profile page, and once you're on your profile page, on the top right you see those three bars. You're gonna press on that, and then you're gonna navigate to settings. Under settings, you're going to go to security. Once you're in security, you see this thing, this first field that says password. You press on that, and now it says an email has been sent to my mail. So now I will be getting my password reset link in my, my email address. And once I open that, I'll be asked to, just reset my password. So that is one way. The other ways that you could always, in case you're logged out, for example, I'm on add account, log into an existing account, I could press forgot password, and then I could use my username or email, and then I could, log back right into my Instagram account, or I could use my Facebook option, and then again I can do just log in to my account. So I hope this pretty much sums up all the ways you could access your account. So I hope this video was helpful. If you like the video, please drop a like. I hope I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.